Welcome to my review of the Solar Outdoor Motion Sensor Alarm. This device packs a punch with 13 looping sounds, including dog barking, gunshot, eagle cry, and police siren, all at a powerful 129 decibels. The looping feature prevents sound habituation, keeping intruders on their toes. It's fully solar-powered, charging in just 8 hours of sunlight with up to 300 days of standby time. No batteries or wiring needed. You get 4 intelligent work modes. Mode 1, 24-hour sound plus light for full protection. Mode 2, 24-hour light only for silent areas. Mode 3, night-only sound plus light to save power. Mode 4, night-only light for quiet neighborhoods. The infrared sensor detects movement up to 26 feet away with a 110-degree horizontal and 60-degree vertical range. It's IP55 weatherproof, working in rain, snow, and temperatures from -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Installation is a breeze with the included wall mount, ground stake, or pole strap. Ideal for driveways, yards, chicken coops, orchards, and warehouses. This alarm is a versatile, eco-friendly security solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link below for more details.